Welcome to the Windows Computer and Technology channel, and I call it the skip. Every now and then a version of Windows gets skipped over by users, and there's several reasons for that. If Microsoft comes back to its 3-year policy of a new system, then, people use their system, use their computers, and depending on the version of Windows you get, will skip a generation of Windows. We've seen it with Windows, basically when Windows 95 came out, most people moved to Windows 98, but then there's a Windows Millennium era. Most people skipped that and just jumped to Windows XP. After Windows XP, people jumped over Windows Vista. A lot of people jumped over that and went direct to Windows 7. And of course, same happened. Windows 8, not really loved, and moved on to Windows 10. And, we're probably at one of these moments. Are people really moving on to Windows 11, or are they going to wait and see what they're going to do and maybe just go to Windows 12 directly? And I think there's quite a few people that will be doing that. Windows 11 is, a in-between version of Windows. There's a lot of negativity with it, and that will probably make a lot of people decide, you know what, I'm going to wait. How will people move on to Windows 12? Well, if you're on Windows 10, there's a good chance that the people moving from 10 to 12 will be doing so with a new PC. Traditionally, once again, a lot of people don't know, but the majority of Windows users move on to a new version simply by buying a new PC. That's the majority of people moving on. And so there's probably some sort of possible distortion coming from Windows 10, because Windows 10 was very interesting and unique, and it was kind of that free ride. But overall, I'm pretty sure the majority of Windows 10 users are actually got it with a new PC at some point in the past. So with Windows 12 coming out next year, we still have 2 years left of Windows 10, and people love it. I think Windows 11, yes, definitely will be I'm skipping over this version of Windows. So I don't expect Windows 11 to really get momentum and get to the high levels of Windows 10 or Windows 7. It'll be, it's roughly 1 out of 4 computers, which isn't bad technically, but I don't think it will never reach really a very high percentage, due to the fact that Windows 12 will come out. People will eventually want to have a new PC, and that's what's going to happen. So, definitely, I think Windows 11 is a skip over version, and I think it's alright like that. People will be moving on to something else. If you enjoy my videos, please subscribe, give us a thumbs up. Thank you for watching.